Today, we're diving into the features of the STAR Workstation LED Undermount Single Bowl 304 Stainless Steel Sink, a versatile addition to any kitchen, yard, bar, laundry, or office space. This 15 by 17 by 10-inch sink is crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and a sleek, modern look. The package includes a cutting board, colander, strainer with basket, grid, and a cutout paper, making it a complete workstation right out of the box. Designed for efficiency, the sink's undermount installation offers a seamless transition from countertop to sink, while the included grid protects the bottom from scratches and allows for easy drainage. The cutting board and colander fit perfectly on the ledge, providing a convenient prep space that maximizes your kitchen's functionality. Please note, while this package is comprehensive, it does not include a faucet or knife, so you'll need to add those separately. With its thoughtful design and high-quality materials, the STAR Workstation Sink is a smart choice for those looking to enhance their workspace with style and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.